we'll guide you through how to understand what Cloudflare is. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Cloudflare website at cloudflare.com. You'll see that Cloudflare is essentially a web performance and security company that offers content delivery network services, internet security, and distributed domain name server services. Cloudflare acts as a mediator between a website visitor and the website's server, enhancing the website's speed and security. Now, let's break it down. When you sign up for Cloudflare, you can add your website by entering the domain name, and Cloudflare will provide you with new name servers. These need to be updated in your domain registrar's DNS settings. This step is crucial because it routes your traffic through Cloudflare's network, which is designed to block malicious traffic and protect against DDoS attacks, while also optimizing the delivery of your website's content to users around the world. Cloudflare's CDN stores a cached version of your website's content in various locations, known as data centers, around the world. This means that when a visitor accesses your site, they're served content from the nearest data center, dramatically improving load times and reducing latency. Additionally, Cloudflare offers SSL encryption to secure data transfer between your server and your visitors, which is important for protecting sensitive information. You can also use Cloudflare's dashboard to monitor traffic, manage security settings, and optimize performance with features like Railgun, which speeds up the delivery of dynamic content. If you're new to Cloudflare, start with the free plan, which provides basic security and performance benefits. As your needs grow, you can upgrade to a more comprehensive plan that offers advanced features like load balancing and custom WAF rules. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.